guys, another beautiful Texas day. Today we have the MBRP exhaust. It's a 3-inch. It's the black edition. We're gonna be putting it on that Tacoma. So this will be kind of a before and after video, really quick. Get some sound clips, and that'll be it. Okay, so as the hardest part, they say, so this exhaust install is getting the old exhaust out from under the truck. Also, kind of gets a little crazy when you're doing this by yourself. So next step is, since I do not have a long bed and I have a double cab, I'm gonna have to cut this piece of pipe right here from here. And I believe it's about 13 1/4. I'm going to make sure, measure twice, cut once, and go from there. Alright, so now that I got my cut set up and my marking set up, I'm going to cut it about halfway through the pipe and then flip it on the other side. Cut through the other half, just so that it's a nice even cut. I'm going to try to make this as clean as possible. Alright, so our cut is done. Probably climb back under there. We're gonna work our way from the front of the vehicle to the back of the vehicle. And like I said, I'm gonna reuse the gasket. And so our first piece will be that. Alright, so the exhaust is on. The only takeaway from it, sounds pretty good. Fitment was good. The only issue I had, I would say, from the company would just be these hangers, the exhaust hangers. I know the one that goes to the actual muffler under here, they have an issue where it's gonna have to be modular. You have to hook it up to the actual clamp. And that was kind of a pain in the ass, but it worked. I mean, there's nothing I could really complain about. It was a pain in the ass doing it alone. I mean, that's my own fault. But other than that, it sounds good. I'll see how long it lasts, I guess, when I start going off-roading again. As you can tell by all the dirt and mud. And yeah, stay tuned. So there's a quick startup video for you guys, what it sounds like inside the cabin. I asked repeatedly for my teenage daughter for help. I got the answer I expected. It was a glaring look and a stare back at her phone. I asked my son for help. He's 5. He told me if I help him work on his Hot Wheels, he'll help me work on my truck. I told him this is real. He did not care. This is my life.